Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Windows level update 25H2 version KB5070311 not installing on PC. In this video seeing before we begin, like and comment this video, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. In these steps, one by one follow to this problem fix it. Let's jump to the steps. First step, restart. So for that, go to the start menu. You can click on that power button, select the restart button click here to restart your system. Sometimes this method works, just to try it. After that, if it's still not working, then go to the next step, command promote. So go to the Windows search bar, then type that CMD, then right click on that, select the run as administrator. Now type that command SFC, give the space slash scan now and hit the enter. This process will take some times. So verification 100% completed only, then come to back. I will skip it this step, but finish only come to back. Then if this try to still not working, then go to that. We will check Windows services. The next step services. So for that, go to the your Windows search bar and type that services. You click on to open. Then scroll down and find Windows Update and right click and choose Properties. Then here service status is running. If there you have as here service status is stop, just a start button click here to change it. After that, hit the apply and OK button click here to come to back and relaunch the Windows Update. Check it. If this try to still not working, then next try troubleshoot Windows Update. So for that, go to the Windows search bar, then type that settings. You click to open, then go to the search bar setting search bar in type Windows Update and press enter. Then scroll down. You can find and fixing problem with Windows Update. Click on it. Here new tab open it. Then click on the next button. The tool detected and fixing any issues automatically. So here show the problems found. Checking for Windows Update issues. So close button click it to come to back. Then go to check it for Windows Update. If this try to still not working, then you maybe have corrupted update files. So that corrupted files delete. Make sure that corrupted files delete. So for that, go to the Windows Explorer, then click on the local task C, double tap to open it, then scroll down. You can find Windows folder, double tap to open it, then scroll down. You click on find at that software distribution folder, then double tap to open it, selected all folders, then right click. You can click on it that delete button, all folder delete, then come to back, then go to that settings, then click on the Windows Update. After that, to have it download and install button, click to update the your latest version. Then your problem fix it. If you have any doubt, subscribe to comment or comment section over to comment. I give the answer. This method working or not working, comment section over to comment and don't forget subscribe and like. If you want more gaming and technical issues videos like this, subscribe to support my YouTube channel.